ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಾವಿವತ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಮಲಬಾರ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕೋರಮಂಗಲ ಶೋರೂಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಒಂದು ಶೋರೂಮ್ನ ರಿನೋವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೊಸ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಹೊಸ ಡಿಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ರೀಲಾಂಚ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ.
Warm good evening to each and every one of you present here. We are here at Malabar Gold and Diamonds Koramangala showroom for the Diamond Show, along with the relaunch of this new renovated store. The store has been here for quite some time, but as we all know, as regular customers, I'm sure all of you have seen a lot of changes in the ambience, in the collections, and in the entire structural space of the store. There is more space, new designs, and many more collections in-house right now. So once again, I warmly welcome each and every one of you for this Diamond Show by the Malabar Group. Today, along with the launch of the Diamond Collections, we also have the Lucky Rose contest running, where every 1 in 10 customers will be given a gift voucher based on the roses that you receive. Also, we will have our customers launch and reveal our newest design collections, namely Divine Collection, Mind Bridal Collection, and Era Collection. So before we begin, I request each and every one of you to give a huge round of applause to the store and the Malabar Group for pulling this off. Thank you so much, and once again congratulating all the staff of the store, and in the presence of the store head, Mr. Jabir, and assistant store head, Mr. Santosh, along with the Karnataka marketing head, Mr. Huzul, present among us. So thank you for pulling this off for the customers of Koramangala. I'm sure they're going to have a great time in the show, in the store. And today, firstly, I'd like to call upon Mrs. Vanilla Lohit to launch the Mind Bridal Collection. Can we have a round of applause to Mrs. Vanilla? Please, ma'am. Can I kindly have you say a few words about the collection that you just unveiled?
Yeah, it's awesome, and I love the collections here in Malabar. They're really exclusive, and it's good for all ages. And I love the ambience here, and the team here are really a good help, and they make us feel so comfortable.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Moving on, we have the next collection to be launched by a mother-daughter duo. I call upon Miss Jeevita and her mother Shilapati to launch the Era collection.
Love the collection here. I've been purchasing for years, but continue for future also. Yeah, they make us feel very comfortable when we come here showing us the collections. I would always suggest anyone to come here. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Before we go on to the final collection, I'd like to say this store at Koramangala offers unmatched designs in bridal jewelry, traditional jewelry, daily wear jewelry, modern designs in gold, diamond, and platinum. In addition, it offers assured lifetime maintenance across all showrooms in India and across the world. Certified diamond gold with hallmark certification, and the price and quality transparency is also an in-house thing. So once again, bringing to you Malabar Golds and Diamonds, the next and the final collection launch for today. I call upon Mrs. Ramya to join me on stage to unveil the Divine Collection.
We have very authentic collection. Hello.
Yes, it is spacious and it's very nice. And hospitality is of course.
You're anyways talking about our Jabir and Mr. Santosh, who are the store head. So we should probably be thanking them for the hospitality. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm going to all call you back here. Meanwhile, we also have another guest, Miss Deepa, who will be joining us for the photo shoot along with the 3 guest customers who launched today. Also, we have some more guests joining us. The unveiling of all 3 collections. Along with the 3 ladies, we have 2 more guests joining us. As I mentioned, Ms. Deepa will be joining us along with Saadat Kumra. She's the principal of Grandeur School and also a star customer at Malabar. So I call upon all the beautiful ladies looking gorgeous as ever, wearing the Malabar collections.
All the best, and it's too good.
Great collection, keep rocking.
Alright,
Excellent collections, all the best Malabar Koramangala.
alright.
All the best to Malabar groups. Excellent collection.
Principal ma'am, yes.
I only pray to God that they reach greater heights with more success, and their hospitality and collection is amazing. So that's what brings us here back.
Thank you so much. Another round of applause before the beautiful ladies go for joining us and doing the honors. Thank you so much, ladies. And the assistant store head, Mr. Santosh, and the Karnataka marketing head, Mr. Husal, to join us here, along with Halima, the customer relationship manager. Also, we have Mr. Errol from Forever Mark.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you who have come here to grace us on this occasion. So this diamond show, we have till October 4th starting from today, that is 26th of September. So we have offers for the customers also, in which we are giving 50%, up to 50% off on making charges for gold jewelry and up to 25% off on diamond value. So once again, I take this opportunity to thank each one of you, all the customers, all guests, and all my dear team members. Thank you.
Now I call upon Mr. Husal to kindly join me on stage.
We thank all our customers for joining the event. It's a new renovated showroom, Koramangala, the new collection, more space. So enjoy shopping, happy shopping. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Finally, before I end, I call upon Halima to also join me and just say a few words.
Really beautiful collection. Please check out the collection before you leave. Thank you.
So, since you're carrying the lucky rose, I'd like to mention once again to all the ladies in the house, you received roses from the staff, yeah? So if that rose has a chit which says you are a lucky winner, then you also get a gift voucher from Malabar Group. Okay, so there are ladies that are telling me that they haven't got the chit, but no worries, maybe the next lady will get, so let's wish for that. Thank you so much for joining, and thank you, Halima. So this is, once again, the official launch of the Diamond Show starting from September 26th, that is today, till October 4th. Thank you and happy shopping.
Namaste, that above star customer from Malabar Golds. Hello, ma'am. How are you doing?
Good, good.
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು?
ಬೆನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಮಲಬಾರ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕೋರಮಂಗಲ ಶೋರೂಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ತುಂಬ ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ, many years. I love Malabar.
ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತದೆ ಸ್ಟೋರ್, ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು ಇವತ್ತು?
The store is renovated and it's awesome. It's spacious and the ambience is too good. So, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Compared to earlier, this is really nice and spacious.
ಸೊ ಮಲಬಾರ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ? ಲೈಕ್ ವೈ ಡು ಯು ಲೈಕ್, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ?
Because it suits all the occasions. Like, you know, they have traditions and also they have diamonds. And I love the diamond cuts. And, you know, they have included the colors in diamonds. Like what the neck piece I'm wearing, it has green and I love it. And I think it suits all the ages. And you have different awesome collections here.
ಮಲಬಾರ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಹಲೋ, ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ?
ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಮುಂಚೆಯಿಂದನೂ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೂ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಾಲಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ನೈಸ್. ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೇಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಒಂದೆರಡು ತೋರಿಸಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವರೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಅ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್.
ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮದು ಕಾಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಲಕ್ಕಿ ರೋಸ್ ಕಾಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೂ ರೋಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ?
ರೋಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು, ಚಿಟ್ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಆಲ್ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರೋ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಆಶಿಸೋಣ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಏನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಸೊ ರಿನೋವೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಕೋರಮಂಗಲ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ರೀತಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆಂಬಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಅವರ ಹೊಸ ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದಿನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರ್, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ?
ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಮುಂಚೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ರಿನೋವೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಶಾಕ್, ಎಲ್ಲೋಯ್ತು ಶಾಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್, ಎಲಿಗೆಂಟ್.
ಇವತ್ತು ಲಾಂಚ್ ಆದಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಮೈಂಡ್ ಬ್ರೈಡಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇರಾ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಡಿವೈನ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ?
ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೂ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಂಬಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನು ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಮಲಬಾರ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ಸ್ನ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಒಂದು ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಡಿಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು, ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋಣ.
I've been coming here, I think, more than 12 years, and I think the collection is amazing. And the best part is they customize the design for you the way you want it, even if you want it a different type of diamond or anything. So it's amazing. And I've been referring everybody to Malabar, all my relatives. The hospitality of the staff is amazing, and I think Jabir bhai and Javed bhai are amazing store heads. They are very, very easy going on the rate sometimes, and they do take into certain discounts, so that really adds a lot of interest in buying. So, and like you can see the spread, it's totally mind blowing. Alhamdulillah, yeah, it's.
So when it comes to the store has undergone so much more renovation, like in terms of the lighting, space and everything, in general. So how do you think the store has changed from before to now?
I think it's after the COVID pandemic, it's adding a lot of brightness to everybody's life. So everybody was, dull, depressed at home. So this has added up more brightness to everybody. With the new collection, I think it's like an icing to the cake. So
now. We have another customer with us who's just bought a new piece of necklace, and let's see what she thinks about the store and the collections. Hello.
I'm feeling great here. I'm Zahra Khan from Bangalore. Malabar collection is really exquisite and exceptional, I can say. I am a regular customer here since 7 years. The day the store opened, I'm a neighbor for them here. So I'm regular. I bought so many items here, but the collection exceptional. Whenever I wear this jewelry of this Malabar gold, I get compliments. See, this is one piece I bought today. I am really happy. True, this is a new collection, it seems, which is recently, just days back it has come to the store. So I was the first person to pounce upon this.
That's wonderful.
This is really beautiful. This time now, the store is looking really completely, it is, what to say, there's no words to say, describe, it is really beautiful. The enthrall collection, the space, the lightings, everything is really out of the box, I can say. It's really very nice.
Thank you so much. Happy shopping with Malabar, and thank you so much for joining us. My pleasure. Thank you. That is the story of the customers here at Malabar. If you want to shop gold, diamond, platinum, silver, whatever, do walk into Malabar Golds and Diamonds Koramangala showroom.